When someone first steps foot into the Children's Hospital, I think that they are taken aback by the color and the artwork that's around. It's just an atmosphere that's light and it feels fresh and it feels appropriate for children.
We have an interactive play wall downstairs that they can actually go up and touch the wall and things will move. We have a big colorful bubble wall as well.
The staff are all very welcoming, love what they do, and want to make sure that everyone coming in the hospital, whether it is a patient or a family member, they feel welcomed.
And of course the most wonderful thing about Helen DeVos Children's Hospital is it's full of kids. And that's a rare thing for a hospital. There are probably 4,000 to 5,000 hospitals in the country, but only a couple hundred of them are children's hospitals. So when you walk into Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, you're immediately energized by kids and all the joys they bring us.
So we have all kinds of community partners who come in to just help create a positive experience for our kids. The zoo comes in on a regular basis and brings in some animals that we wouldn't necessarily normally have in the Children's Hospital, and so it's just so fun to be able to see the kids react and still learn and get educated while they're here, but also have some distractions from what becomes day-to-day life in the hospital.
As a hospital teacher, I work to help normalize the child's experience in the hospital, to bring them a glimpse of what they're missing from their classrooms. We have Club TCB, which is a time that they can come and participate with other peers and do some hands-on learning and lessons. And then we also have bedside lessons that they can get some support from the classwork that they're missing from their home district. And then I also work as a liaison, so I'm able to help them have a smoother transition back into their classroom. So we know that their diagnoses and their treatment can sometimes affect learning, and so we want to just make sure their schools are educated on what these children might need when they return.
The things that we consider routine that happen to kids with regard to their care ends up being quite exceptional. Whether that's a child with terrible injuries that comes out and graduates from college, whether that's somebody that comes in with a cancer that goes away and is cured and comes back to us and works as one of our nurses. These are the things that happen here. So there's story after story after story about the wonderful care that kids get at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital.